Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart English Official. What if I tell you that just a few easy English words can help you speak every day and sound natural too?
Yes, really. Not 100 words, not 50 words, just simple daily words you can start using today.
So stay with us because in this fun talk, you will learn easy English words, easy meanings, and easy examples.
And maybe, just maybe, Lima will finally stop saying good night in the morning.
Hey, one time only. Okay, maybe 2 times.
We are so happy you are here.
I'm Lima.
And I'm James.
Today, we have a very fun and useful topic, daily English words used in daily life.
These are words you can hear every day, at home, at school, at work, in a shop, on the phone, and even when your friend eats your snack and says sorry.
Yes, that is a very daily life problem.
Don't worry, we will use very simple English today.
Very easy words, very easy examples, and a friendly talk so beginners can enjoy and learn.
So relax, listen slowly, and if you want, repeat after us.
Ready? Let's start.
1. Hello.
The first word is hello.
This is one of the first English words many people learn.
We say hello when we meet someone or when we start a phone call.
Easy example. Hello, James.
Hello, Lima.
Very good, simple and friendly.
If you see your teacher, you can say, hello, teacher.
If your friend calls you, you can answer, hello.
And if someone says hello to you, please do not look at the wall and stay quiet.
Yes, answer them, please. The wall is not your best friend. 2. Good morning.
The next word group is good morning.
We say good morning in the morning.
Not at night. Yes, I know now. Thank you very much.
Example. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, everyone.
It sounds warm and kind.
You can use it at home, in class, in the office, anywhere in the morning.
3. Please.
Now let's talk about please.
This is a small word, but it is very important.
We use please when we ask for something.
Example, please help me.
Please give me some water.
If you say please, you sound polite.
If you do not say please, you may sound a little strong or a little rude.
Example, open the door. Strong.
Please open the door. Much nicer.
Yes, the door will feel happier too. 4. Thank you.
After please, we need thank you.
Yes, these two are best friends.
We say thank you when someone helps us, gives us something, or does something nice.
Example, thank you for the tea.
Thank you for your help.
You can also say thanks. That is shorter and very common.
If someone gives me pizza, I say thank you. If someone gives James 2 pizzas, he says thank you very, very, very much.
That is correct. 5. Sorry.
Next word, sorry.
This is a very useful daily word.
We say sorry when we make a small mistake.
Example, sorry, I am late.
Sorry, I stepped on your foot.
Sorry, I ate your cake.
Wait, if you eat my cake, 1 sorry is not enough.
Okay, sorry, and here is a new cake.
Better, much better.
You can also use sorry when you do not hear well.
Yes, if someone speaks and you don't understand, you can say sorry or sorry, can you say that again?
6. Yes and no.
These are very easy but very important. Yes and no.
Yes means okay, true, or I agree.
No means not okay, not true, or I do not agree.
Example, do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you want cold soup with ice cream?
No, thank you. And also, why? Yes, some food ideas are not good ideas.
These 2 words are everywhere in daily life. Shops, school, family talk, phone calls.
7, okay.
The next word is okay.
This word is everywhere.
Okay can mean yes, fine, I understand, or no problem.
Example, can we start now? Okay.
Example, I will call you later. Okay.
Example, I'm a little tired today. Okay, please rest.
It is short, easy, and very natural.
I think people use okay 1 million times a day, maybe more.
Yes, and sometimes 2 times in one sentence. Okay, okay.
8. Help.
Now let's learn help.
This word is very useful in real life.
If you need support, you can say, help me, please.
Or, can you help me?
Example, can you help me with this bag?
Please help me find my phone.
I say that a lot because I always lose my phone.
Where do you lose it?
In my hand sometimes.
Oh no, that is a special problem. 8. Water.
The next word is water.
Very simple, very useful, and very important for life.
You can say, I want water.
Can I have some water, please?
Drink more water.
This word is common at home, in restaurants, at school, at work, and after running.
Or after talking too much, like James.
Hey, this is a podcast. Talking is my job. 10. Food.
Now, a happy word, food.
Yes, this is my favorite class today.
Food means things we eat.
Example, the food is good.
I need food.
Let's buy some food.
Very easy.
You can also use names of food like rice, bread, egg, apple, soup, chicken.
If someone asks, are you hungry? You can say, yes, I want food.
And if you're really hungry, maybe do not say it while looking at your friend's sandwich like a cat.
Yes, be calm, speak English first, eat later.
11. Home.
The next word is home.
This is a warm word.
Home is the place where you live or where you feel safe and happy.
Example, I am at home.
Let's go home.
My home is small but nice.
Many daily talks use this word.
After work, after school, after shopping, people say, I'm going home.
And on rainy days, home feels extra nice with tea, a soft chair, and no homework.
No homework is a beautiful dream. 12.
Work.
Now let's learn work.
Work can be your job or the things you do for your job.
Example, I have work today.
He is at work.
I work in a shop.
This word is very common for adults.
But students can also hear it, like schoolwork. Yes, and some schoolwork can feel very big, very long, and very sleepy.
True, but little by little, you can do it.
13. Friend.
Now, a sweet word, friend.
A friend is a person you like, trust, and enjoy spending time with.
Example, she is my friend.
My friend is funny.
I want to meet my friend today.
Friends are important in life.
A good friend helps you, listens to you, and maybe shares snacks with you.
A very good friend shares fries.
A very good friend shares the last fry.
That is true friendship.
14. Happy.
Now let's talk about feelings now. First word, happy.
Happy means you feel good, you feel joy.
Easy example, I'm happy today.
She looks happy.
This song makes me happy.
This is a great word for daily life because we talk about feelings all the time.
When your friend gets good news, you can say, I'm happy for you.
When you eat your favorite food, you can say, I'm happy.
When there is no internet problem during your video call, very happy. Yes, that is a modern kind of happy. 15. Tired.
The next feeling word is tired.
This is also very common.
Tired means you need rest.
Example, I am tired.
She is tired after work.
I want to sleep. I am very tired.
This word is useful after a long day,
Or after cleaning the house.
or after running.
Or after looking for my phone that is in my pocket. 16. Today and tomorrow.
Now let's learn 2 time words, today and tomorrow.
Today means this day, the day now.
Tomorrow means the next day.
Example, I am busy today.
I will see you tomorrow.
Today is a good day.
Tomorrow we have class.
These words help you talk about plans.
You can say, not today, or maybe tomorrow.
Very simple, very useful. 17. Phone. Next word, phone.
This word is everywhere now.
Example, where is my phone?
My daily sentence.
I need my phone.
Please call my phone.
My phone is on the table.
People use this word every day for calls, messages, music, photos, learning, and sometimes watching funny cat videos for too long.
That is important study too, maybe. 18. Money.
Let's learn money.
Another important daily word.
Example, I need money for the bus.
Do you have some money? I want to save money. This word is useful in shops, markets, travel, and daily planning.
If you go out without money, life can become very interesting and not in a fun way.
Yes, then you need a friend, and maybe that friend also wants their money back later. 19. Busy. Next word, busy.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Example, I am busy now.
She is busy today.
Sorry, I'm busy. I will call you later.
This is a very real daily life word.
Adults say it a lot.
Sometimes too much.
Yes, even when they are just looking in the fridge for 10 minutes.
That is serious work. Food work.
20. Ready.
Our next word is ready.
Ready means prepared. You can start now.
Example, I am ready.
Are you ready?
Dinner is ready.
That is my favorite example.
Mine too. Funny how that works.
Teachers use this word, parents use this word, friends use this word.
Are you ready to go? Yes, I'm ready.
Very useful. Very easy.
Small daily talk practice.
Okay, now let's make a small daily talk using many of these words.
Good idea. Listen, everyone.
Hello, James.
Hello, Lima. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you okay?
Yes, but I am a little tired.
Oh, sorry. Do you want water?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have work today, but tomorrow I can meet my friend.
Nice. Are you ready for the day?
Almost, but where is my phone?
In your hand.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Now let's go home and eat food.
Best English talk ever.
Let's review the words one more time, slowly.
Hello.
Good morning.
Please.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Help.
Water.
Food.
Home.
Work.
Friend.
Happy.
Tired.
Today. Tomorrow. Phone.
Money.
Busy.
Ready.
Easy learning tip.
Here is a simple tip. Do not try to learn too many words in one day.
Yes, learn a few words and use them again and again.
Say them out loud.
Use them in short sentences.
Use them with your family, your friends, or even by yourself. Yes, you can talk to yourself in English. It is good practice.
Just maybe do not do it too loudly on a bus, or people may look at you.
Unless you want new friends, then maybe it works. And that is the end of today's fun English talk on Smart English Official.
Today, we learned easy daily English words that you can use in real life.
These words are simple, useful, and great for beginners.
Remember, small steps are okay.
Easy words are powerful.
If you use them every day, your English can grow little by little.
So do not worry, do not rush, and do not give up.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking, even if it's just one word today.
We are happy to learn with you.
Thank you for listening.
See you tomorrow or in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye. And please remember, if you can't find your phone, check your hand first.
Hey, that joke is about me.
Yes, because it's true. Okay, bye for real now.
Bye.